What if I told you that you can make stylish wall frames without spending big money? Imagine creating beautiful home decor using just cardboard and a few simple supplies. Welcome to today's guide on DIY wall frames with cardboard. This project is perfect for anyone who wants to decorate their walls affordably while adding a personal creative touch. Simple definition: DIY wall frames with cardboard mean crafting decorative picture frames using thick cardboard instead of buying expensive wooden or plastic ones. It's budget-friendly, lightweight, and customizable to any style. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Measure and cut cardboard pieces to the size of your desired frame. Step 2. Cut out a rectangular opening in the center to hold your photo or art. Step 3. Strengthen the frame by layering 2 or 3 cardboard cutouts together. Step 4. Cover the frame with decorative paper, fabric, or paint for design. Step 5. Attach a backing cardboard piece to secure the picture inside. Step 6. Add a small stand at the back or attach a hanging hook with tape or glue. Step 7. Insert your photo or artwork and place it on the wall. Tools explained. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, pencil, scissors or a craft knife, glue or double-sided tape, decorative paper or fabric, and optional paint or embellishments. Quick tips: use thick corrugated cardboard for durability. Always cut with a sharp blade for neat edges. Try metallic paper or textured fabric to give your frame a premium look. If hanging, reinforce the back with strong adhesive hooks. Cost comparison: buying new frames can cost anywhere from $10 to $50 per piece depending on size and design. Making your own cardboard frame costs less than $2 each. That's up to 90% savings while still achieving a stylish finish. Workflow: measure and cut cardboard. Create frame opening. Lay for strength. Decorate the frame. Attach backing and hook. Insert artwork and display. Professional notes. Make sure the cardboard edges are smooth before decorating to avoid rough finishes. Always seal painted frames with a clear coat for longer life. If you're framing heavier prints, double the cardboard layers for added strength. We measured, cut, layered, decorated, added backing, and finished with display hooks. With just cardboard and creativity, you can make wall frames that look expensive, but cost almost nothing. If you enjoyed this DIY project, hit like, subscribe for more creative budget-friendly ideas, and share this with friends who love home decor on a budget.